Hello and welcome back. In this video, I will be covering the concept of backup policies and how it is created and configured. Here from the dashboard, you can either use the menu, Manage Backup Policies, or use the direct tool link at the bottom here to get into the backup policies section. Here you can see different policies that already exist. If any of these policies matches your need, then you can assign that policy to any account and there is no need to create a new one. Or else, the list doesn't have a policy that matches your requirement. You can create a new one by clicking this Add New Policy button at the top. The first section is the global settings. If you don't want to back up the files in your company before a particular date, you can select this first option and choose a date before which you don't want the files to be backed up. The second and the third options help you to restrict the files to be backed up depending on their size range. In Cyrro, you will have a cloud copy of the files backed up even if you delete these files from the local device. This is to protect against the accidental deletion of files from the device. But in some cases, the user might want to save cloud space by deleting these cloud files too. In such cases, you can use these two options to configure the deletion. If you select the first option, the file from the cloud will be deleted. If it remains unchanged in the local device even after the selected number of days. The second option can be used to choose number of days a locally deleted file from the system is to be kept in the cloud. That is, if you select 90 days and you deleted a file from the local system, that file will be kept in the cloud for 90 more days and will be deleted from the cloud on the 91st day. On the right side, there is also an option to select to which email address the backup reports are to be sent. By default, this is selected to be sent to the account owner's email. You can change this to any other email addresses if required using this option. Below is the next section and it is scanner settings. First, you can assign a name for your new custom policy. As an example, let me name it as Test Policy. Next, you may select whether the scanner may automatically scan for all the folders of the device or only for the personal folders of the user. Next, you may select the type of files to be scanned. This becomes handy when you want to save your time for scanning, where you doesn't want a specific type of file to be scanned. Here I deselect the types video and audio. Next is the scheduler settings, where you can configure the automatic backup settings. Now below, here you can see another button which reads Show Hide Advanced Options. Click this and you get some more extra options. These options help you to include or exclude one or several particular folders or files. When all the settings are configured as per your requirements, click on Save and your new customized policy will be listed along with the other already existing policies. You can assign this policy to any device you have configured under your account. Let us see how. Click on View Backup Accounts. Click on the button Manage at the right end and select Manage Backup Policies. Now you can see the list of devices you have configured under your account, and to the right of it you can see the available policies where you can see the one you have recently created also. You can select this policy to be assigned to the device and click Apply. You can see below that the policy has been applied to the device. Thank you and have a good day.